Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. The LINK chart is now likely in this wave 4 correction. I think we saw that already. Did we see it start already in the last video? I'm not sure. We were certainly watching for it. I'm not sure if we had the trend line broken already in the last video. I think we have. Anyway, I mentioned to you either way that as soon as this trend line breaks, it could be an indication that this fourth wave that we've been watching for in the white count, which is the primary scenario, that this is unfolding. And we're going to dive into the microstructure in a minute. First of all, here the overall structure of this entire move from the June lows, that hasn't changed at all. We're still watching for this 5-wave pattern to the upside. We have on this time frame already 5 waves complete. We have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and the wave 5, all technically complete. Just that within the wave 5, it looks as if we get one more squiggle to the upside into the region between $21 and $24, possibly even 29. So this is my target area that hasn't changed in months. And yeah, and basically what we're watching for is this wave 5 to play out. As soon as we have a top in place in wave 5, of 1, which is the larger impulse from the June lows, we can add a support area for the wave 2, a corrective pullback. But at the moment it's too early for that. Okay, it's too early. If I was doing that now, then the support region would be between $12.08 and $6.76, which doesn't mean it has to come down to $6.76. It simply means that below 676, we cannot really focus on a bullish scenario anymore. Already, I would say, to be honest, already below the $9.50 level, things are going to get difficult for LINK because this was such an important breakout point in October. And it's basically a resistance area from that price range throughout which LINK has been working between May 22 and October last year. So ideally, we even avoid a break below the green line. But technically speaking, a wave 2 could come down into the region, yeah, all the way down to 676. But again, it's not a target at this stage. It's just support. And what is, as a Fibonacci or let's say Elliott wave guideline, we know that a wave 2 tends to finish in the area of a previous wave 4. And that was here at $12, the wave 4 of the lower degree. What I have to say as well, if we move higher with wave 1, which we should do, then I also have to adjust the support area. Okay, you see how it's moving. And then, for example, even if the price gets to $26, for example, the golden ratio level sits at that $9.50 level. So, that's why I don't give it to you yet. It's too early. Too early. Wave 1 trend is still running. We don't want to guess when a trend is over. We just go with the trend. And then I'm identifying the relevant support levels. And once they break, that will add up as evidence to tell us at some point that the wave 2 is unfolding. Now let's go to the 1 hour chart. Here, looking at this microstructure, I did say that the wave 5 of 1 would look better with one more high. And we currently deal with this corrective pullback. It's probably the wave 4 in wave 5, in circle wave 5. And yeah, you can draw a trend line here, maybe as a bit of a breakout point. The ascending trend line broke. That was our signal that wave 4 is likely unfolding. I'm going to take that out because we added now the descending trend line. A break above this trend line could be an indication, not confirmation, but an indication that, well, at least wave B is unfolding. To be honest, I don't even know if wave B is already unfolding anyway, because an ideal target for an A wave in such a configuration is the 23.6 retracement. So that would be just an ideal target, but we already have 3 waves down. So it's possible wave A is already done, then B obviously, and C still to unfold actually a little later. But yeah, a break obviously above $21, which is the February high, would suggest that the wave 5 is already unfolding, but I would prefer at this stage a little bit more of a pronounced 4th wave, maybe even a clearer 3-wave move. And the micro support levels are between $16.78 and $18.82. So that means as long as this area is holding, we should expect or at least watch for some reactions here at one of these fib levels. That's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.